What's good, y'all? It's your girl LaRobin Lachey, and we are back with another video. If you are new to the channel, welcome.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
In today's video, I want to look at the charts to see if we can find a good setup today. In my last video, we looked at the charts and we seen that it was no news today. Now the time is about 9 o'clock, and we're going to start looking at the market around 9:30. That will be market open, and the pairs that I'm looking at is either gold or NAS, and we're going to see if we could find a good setup today, so y'all be ready for that. Right now we have the charts pulled up. We are looking at NAS 100, and it is about 9:18. So we have about 12 minutes before market open, and I currently have my alert set, and we are going to look and see if we can find a setup. If NAS does not give me a clear setup, then we will not be taking a trade today. Now let's head on over to gold. Gold actually looks good on the 1 hour. I see nice rejections at my support area. I could possibly go ahead and take a trade, but I think I'm going to wait. Let's go down to the 5 minute. I see a bearish trend here, but price did reject at this area, and I would definitely need a little bit more confirmation. Looks like price is filling in this gap area right here. I actually see nice rejection in this area. However, I still want to wait for more confirmation. I'm still bullish on gold. However, I need more confirmation before I enter this trade. So we're still going to wait till after market open. Even though with gold, market open doesn't really affect that pair, but I'm still going to wait because I want the best setup. So gold did fill in this gap right here, and it could possibly go up right now. I don't know, y'all. That looks like a good setup to me. I'm gonna wait for another 5 minute candle, and let's see what happens. Today is Monday, and we don't have any news. So if I do find a setup, it would definitely be a 1-to-1. Just going for a 1-to-1 and nothing more. NAS looks like it wants to sell, but I still need price to tap into this area right here before I decide to take a trade. Let's head on over to Forex Factory. As stated in my last video that we would not have any news today, and checking Forex Factory again for news, and we do not have any upcoming news. Tomorrow will be more momentum in the market, but let's see what Monday does. Let's see. Sometime on a Monday you can find a good setup. I don't want to say that I won't find anything today, because we could possibly still get a good setup, or we could get a lot of consolidation. Only time to tell. Looks like gold is rejecting. I see a lot of wicks in this area. Looks like a bunch of consolidation right here. So I wouldn't be comfortable taking a trade right now, but it's definitely telling a story right here. NAS did fill in this gap, and I'm looking for the next 5 minute candle to come through, and if I see a good rejection, then that would be more confluence of taking a buy, but I would not be entering the market right now. Right now I'm just marking up to consolidate. Where's consolidation at? And I'm seeing what price wants to do. Looks like price want to come back to this key level. Right now it is 924. 6 minutes till market open. All right, here comes the next candle. I'm adding an alert at this level here in the 5 minute. If price break past this level right here, then I will be looking for another trade for gold. But this year, like I said in my previous video, I'll be looking for more safe entries. I'm not just taking anything. And this year I just want to be more disciplined than I was last year. Looking back at Nas trade, we're going to take a look at Nas again. Nas is looking nice. Like, it looks like it really wants to sell. I'm looking for price to tap into this area, take some liquidity before shooting down. But let's see what 9:30 gives us. Let's take a look at CNBC News, and it looks like we definitely gotta wait. Okay, I want to head back over here to gold. It's 9:27 right now, and looks like gold is staying in this area, in this range. Right now it's ranging, consolidating a lot. But I want gold. I want gold to come out of this area here. I want it to either break up to the upside, or I needed to break this key level here. That'll let me know gold still wants to sell. I'm only looking for buys, and if gold decides to sell, then I will not be taking a trade today, because the overall trend is bullish. Overall trend is bullish on gold. Right now I'm looking at the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily. The daily, let's go ahead and put on my fib. Looking at my fib, I think gold would definitely, if it decides to buy today, it will definitely go to that reversal area. I'm not sure if it's going to break past today, being that we don't have any momentum, but I will make note of this area right here. Let's go back down to the 5 minute. So I will be holding to the next gap area, and let's see what gold wants to do. We're waiting, we're being patient with the market, and we're letting the market show us what it wants to do. Let's head back over to Nas 100. Nas, what are you showing me today? What do you want to do? Let's head over to the 5 minute. Right now it is 9:31, and we are letting Nas show us what it wants to do today. Will it come back up to this area and take liquidity and head down, or will it just shoot straight down? We never know with Nas. We just have to wait and be patient. While I'm waiting on the next candle, the next 5 minute candle, I want to take a look at CNBC and see what Nas has in store for us today. I'm going to go to my watch list and look at that. Looks like we have a red day today. That is definitely a confluence when it's more red than green. So that's definitely one of my confluences. So let's go back over to Nas, and I'll be looking for sales on Nas. I'm hoping Nas come and tap my alert area. That will let me know that it's time for a trade. But sometimes it won't even come back up to this gap. It'll just continue down. But we'll see. If it does not hit my alert, I am looking for Nas to take out this liquidity. Money, money, money. What you want to do, Nas? Let's take a look at gold. Gold is still in this range area. I believe gold will buy. controlling myself and just letting the market show me what it wants to do. Right, here comes the next candle. If I'm not sure about this trade, then I'm not going to get in the market. And that's how we should be. Like, if you're not sure, you want to be 100% sure of your analysis before you get at this level here, in a 5 minute. And right now, I'm not 100% this level right here. Then I will be looking for another trade for gold. But this year, like I said in my previous video, I'll be looking for more safe entries. I'm not just taking anything else filled in this area. This year, I just want to be more disciplined than I was last year. Strong, bearish. Looking back at Nas trade, we're gonna take a look at Nas again. I'm expecting price. Nas is looking to sell. Like, it looks like it really wants to sell. Waiting on the next 5 minutes. I'm looking for price to tap into this area, take some liquidity before shooting down. Right now, it is 9:34. Let's see what the market 9:30 gives us. Let's take a look at CNBC News, and it looks like we definitely gotta wait. Okay, this is a nice wick here. Okay, I want to head back. I need more confirmation. I'm not too sure. 27 right now. It still could come in this area right here. Gold is staying in this area, in this range. Right now, it's ranging, consolidating a lot. But I want gold. So I'll be getting. Excuse me. I want gold to come out of this area here. I want it to either break up to the upside, or I needed to break this key level here. That'll let me know if gold still wants to sell. I'm only looking for buys, and if gold decides to sell, then I will not be taking a trade today because the overall trend 1-to-1 today is bullish. Overall trend is bullish. Now, what I really wanted to happen was I wanted Nas to come up here first and take out liquidity. And that'll give you more confirmation that price would go ahead and sell. I don't have the best entry, but it is still a good entry. I'm just going for a 1-to-1, and I just want to see what happens. Looking at my field, I think gold would definitely, if it decides to buy today, just going to watch the market, definitely go to that reversal area. Not sure if it's going to break past today, being that we don't have hit TP, but I will hit my stop loss. But either way, go back down to the 5 confident in this trade because I already know my risk, and I'll be holding my reward. And with my risk, I am comfortable with area what I'm losing today. And let's see what gold wants to do. We're waiting. We're being patient with the market, and letting the market show us what it wants to do. This is good. This is a good setup. Let's head back over to Nas 100. We are almost to TP. Nas, what are you showing me today? What do you want to do? Let's head over to the 5 minute. Right now it is 9:31, and we are letting Nas show us what it wants to do today. Will it come back up to this area and take liquidity and head down, or will it just shoot straight down? We never know with Nas. We just have to wait and be patient. While I'm waiting on the next candle, the next 5 minute candle, I want to take a look at CNBC and see what Nas has in store for us today. I'm going to go to my watch list and look at that. Looks like we have a red day today. Wait, that is definitely a confluence when it's more red than green. So that's definitely one of my confluences in this game. So let's go back over to patient. You gotta see it through. You gotta trust yourself, trust your analysis. I'll be looking for sales on Nas. I'm hoping Nas come and tap my alert area. That will let me know that it's time for a trade. But sometimes it won't even come back up to this gap. It'll just continue down. But we'll see. If it does not hit my alert, I am looking for Nas to take out this liquidity. Money. What you want to do, Nas? Take a look at gold. Gold is still in this range area. was playing around, so I'm definitely gonna put a alert at my TP area, and I'm going to leave it charged for a minute and let NAS do what it wants to do. Nas almost reached my 1-to-1, and now it is rejecting. So I'm expecting price to continue up before it heads down again. Looks like Nas could possibly continue up on the next candle. Nas came down to this rejection area, took some liquidity, and it could possibly start buying up. But we will see. We will see. Next candle is coming. Let's see what Nas wants to do. Will it take me out at stop loss, or will it turn around and come back to my entry level? Will it continue to my TP? Right now we're back at entry. I could definitely get out the trade right here. I normally would get out the trade right here. I'm holding today. Sometimes you gotta take them risks to make money. Miles is definitely rejected. Rejected. Miles playing around. This is Monday, y'all. This is Monday. Hit my alert. Let's see what gold did. Gold broke past my level, so now I'll be waiting for a retest, and that will determine if I want to take a trade or not. So now gold broke my level. Nas is playing around. Come on, Nas, what you want to do? Show me something. Okay, looks like Nas is going toward my stop loss. And I could have got out, like I said, when it came back to my break-even zone, but I decided to hold today. But either way, whether I win or lose, I already accepted it, and let's just see. Losses are a part of the game, but we ain't lost yet. We ain't lost yet. Price is at this supply level right here. It's rejecting this area, so it could possibly continue to sell. Still hope. Or it can go to this gap here, this gap area, or it can take liquidity up here before it decides to sell. Did take me out. My stop loss was hit. I was almost to my 1-to-1. So when I saw price turn around, here, I could have taken profit here. when I almost got to my TP area, I could have taken some profit off, but I did not take partials. I just let the trade play out because I didn't risk a lot of money today. And yeah, so today was a loss. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you for watching the video. And if you like this content and you want to see more content like this, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel if you're new. And you'll definitely be seeing more videos like this and so much more on my channel. So thank you guys for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.